In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work offline in Google Chrome, a handy skill for those times when you might not have reliable internet access. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to establish a connection to the internet and open Google Drive in your Google Chrome browser. This step is crucial because you need an internet connection initially to set up offline access. After launching Google Drive, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon, which is the settings icon. Click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Doing this will open up the Settings panel where you can adjust various preferences related to your Google Drive experience. Now, in this Settings panel, scroll down until you find the Offline section. Here's where you can enable offline access, a feature that allows Google Chrome to store certain files on your device. Enable this by checking the box next to it. This option is very useful because, at times, you may find yourself in a situation where internet access is unavailable or unstable, and this ensures you're still able to work on your important documents. Once you've checked the box, Google Drive will automatically save your most recently edited Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides for offline use. This means you can keep working on these files even if you lose your internet connection. And rest assured, any changes you make will be updated the next time you connect to the internet. If you have specific files that you already know you will need offline, you can make them available manually. It's a simple process. First, open the file you wish to access offline. Once the file is open, look for the three-dot menu. This menu provides additional options and can be found towards the upper right section, close to the document name. Click on this menu and you'll see an option for Available Offline. Go ahead and check the box next to it. Doing this will ensure that particular file will be stored on your device for offline access. Remember, this step is particularly useful if you have specific documents or presentations that are not frequently updated, so they wouldn't be saved by default. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively prepare your Google Chrome to work offline, ensuring that you're never caught out without access to your critical documents. Whether you're traveling, experiencing network issues, or simply want peace of mind, offline access is a game changer. I hope this guide helps you stay productive no matter what connectivity challenges you face. Thanks for watching and happy working.